Welcome to our antibody drug conjugate manufacturing site. Our manufacturing plant is equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing areas and laboratories to ensure product quality and safety when manufacturing ADC drug substance products. We use single-use systems to prepare up to 1,000 liters of buffer in Grade C clean rooms. Centrally located, the area enables easy transfer of buffer solution to each process room through transfer holes, minimizing contamination risk and ensuring a stable and controlled clean room environment. Next is our isolator for dispensing and mixing the payload linker. By applying a net negative pressure environment, the employees are protected when handling HPAPI and organic solvents. The conjugation process step is the most critical in ADC manufacturing. In our current manufacturing train, the conjugation reaction is performed in a single-use reactor in which process parameters such as mixing speed, temperature, and pH can be recorded and controlled. Along with the conjugation time, these parameters play a key role in achieving the correct amount of linked drug per antibody, also known as the drug-antibody ratio. After conjugation, ADCs are purified using chromatography and tangential flow filtration. The equipment is a single-use system, which eliminates the risk of cross-contamination between batches and enhances operational flexibility, as cleaning is not required. Additionally, our automated process control system ensures precise flow regulation and real-time monitoring, maximizing batch reproducibility and product stability. This concludes our tour of the ADC manufacturing site. Thank you for your time and interest. For inquiries, contact our sales center